Nature is important to our well-being. It grounds us and can generate many positive emotions. Having plants in our immediate environment not only beautifies the space, but also provides us with a wide variety of additional health benefits. Let's learn more.
Plants help create a healthy environment in the built environment because they help clean the air, they make you feel better, they reduce your stress levels, increase your productivity. Cityscapes incorporates biophilic design in the workplace by adding interior landscaping, living walls, anything that has to do with plants and anything that mimics nature. Biophilic design is an approach to interior design that aims at connecting the building occupants more closely to nature. It's important as a design concept considering people spend an average roughly of 90% of time indoors, except for myself, of course, because I am a tree hugger and I spend a lot of time outdoors. But when I am indoors, I like to be surrounded by things that remind me of nature.
More than just pretty to look at, plants have been shown to increase productivity and creativity in the workplace.
Designing biophilic spaces includes plantings and other organic textures incorporated into a workspace. Designing for health and wellness, one of my favorite parts of biophilia. I do it 3 main ways. One is by choosing organic textures for the plant containers. Sometimes they're barnacle textured. We have some cool ones that are volcanic rock or other types of stone to continue the organic feel from the green to the container as well. We also place them in strategic spots throughout the space so that the placement is impactful and you can see it from multiple locations or multiple vantage points throughout the office. Another way to place plants is to use plantings to separate workspaces so that people can collaborate in a more community way to prevent feeling any social isolation at work. Plants increase productivity and creativity in the workplace by fostering a feeling of relaxation, tranquility, which helps employees focus better on their work at hand and also provides an opportunity to be more creative.
Pushing plant design to the limit, Cityscapes Inc. does it all, from installation to maintenance.
We were one of the first in the United States to do living walls. We do moss walls, our new product lines such as living ceilings, plant pillars that are made of plants. Living furniture. It's a furniture with a biophilic twist. We have created coffee tables and bar top tables and conference tables that have plants incorporated into them. It's where nature fuses with function. Cityscapes design, installation, and maintenance has been the core of our existence for 30 years. We design with their lighting in mind, with their aesthetic in mind. We like to match their furnishings, their artwork, and then we install the plants, and then we maintain them on a guaranteed basis. Guaranteed meaning it's like an insurance policy. We go in on a weekly, bi-weekly basis, maintain the plants, keep them looking beautiful. If any of them fail for some reason, then we replace them for free. Sustainability for us is very important. We recycle our plastic containers, plant vessels that are made locally when we can, that they are recycled, that they're made of organic products. That has been a very big trend. The fiberglass containers of the past aren't as prevalent as now, using stone, cement, organic materials like that, plus it matches the environment.
The business that I deal with is commercial real estate investment, office buildings and retail developments. Plant maintenance and interior landscaping improves the curb appeal of the building. Tenants that are out on the market looking for space are generally attracted to buildings that have a green feel to them when you enter the lobby. Working with Jan and Cityscapes, it's a very collaborative effort. Ideas are bounced back and forth, thoughts about the end result are discussed, and the project is really a culmination of that effort and that communication. Jan's passion for her profession and the world of biophilic design is impressive.
Helping the community to understand the transformational power of plants is an important part of the business plan.
We created a roaming greenhouse that gives back to charity called Transplanted. The truck's name is Sprout, and to date we've donated over $40,000 worth of charitable donations to local companies and national nonprofits such as St. Jude, the Boys and Girls Club, Break Time. The other beautiful thing about the Transplanted truck, we go to our clients' buildings and they pick the charity that they'd like all of the profits that we do that day to go to that charity.
For more information about Cityscapes Inc., visit their website, bostoncityscapes.com, And of course, visit our website, designingspaces.tv.